Let's take a time of meditation together and just breathe in. I let go of everything I think I know about everything, and I am open to being teachable and reachable. I am open to creating space in my life, in my mind, in my prayer, in this treatment. I connect with statements of truth. There is no place Godness is not. Let that thought, that feeling, that aliveness have its way within my being for this moment. In this moment, I can trust. In this moment, I can believe and breathe into the truth that the same faculty that put the moon in my sky, the planet under my feet, and that draws me to that planet without flinging and flying off into space or spinning around till I'm dizzy, that is the activity that is at work in my life. And I can trust it. I can breathe into it. Let there be space in my mind, and let the spaciousness make way for what is already here, what is already mine. I take it on. I am teachable, reachable, movable. And I breathe into the healing power of the silence. Sweet Spirit, we connect with the consciousness of the divine in this sanctuary and in the homes across this beautiful marble we call Earth. We imagine in our hands that red leaf. They practiced for 30 days saying that statement and had awakening, healing, nourishment. Let me step forward in action with tiny little atomic habits that further my good, so I may be of benefit to all. So that I may be nourished and renewed, that I may remember the power of this practice. That every cell in my body can rejoice. Can lean into the safe space that I steward within. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. And may all beings know we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. And so it is. Namaste.